Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady, where I help home business owners win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock-ish, and you can come here to get your questions answered about your home business taxes. All right. What is the minimum amount of money required to report to the IRS? Okay. I usually get that question, about twice a year, like December and then right during tax season. Okay. So quite simply, you are required to report all of your income. Okay. Thou shalt report all thy income. That's taxations 1:1. Okay. Period. If you are a United States citizen, it does not matter where you earn your money, whether it is on this soil or a foreign country. If you earn money on this planet, you are required to report all of your income. Okay. Now, there are some, there are some other types of income, what I want to call them, reporting requirements that I want to make sure you don't confuse anything with. Okay. So number one is that, like I said, you are required to report all income. That, includes from your side hustle, from your job, from wherever. If you earn this money, whether it's legal or obtained by illegal means, you are required to report said income. Okay. So now if you earn $400, now when I say earn $400, let's say that you do have a side hustle and you have income and you have expenses. And if after you take out all of your expenses, you have $400 profit or more, you may be liable for self-employment tax. Okay. That's the first one. Second one is the 1099 miscellaneous. If you earn $600 from another type of organization, whether it's through network marketing, affiliate marketing, Uber, whatever, right? Well, no, not Uber. Okay. Not Uber. I take that back. But if you earn this from another organization, whether, like I said, through affiliate commissions or whatever, then you will receive a 1099 miscellaneous. Okay. But if you live in Massachusetts or Vermont and you deal with a third-party settlement organization, your third-party people are your PayPal, your Stripe, Uber and Lyft. It's kind of questionable. I think they're still fighting that out. I don't know. But anyway, so with the third-party settlement organizations, if you live in Massachusetts and Vermont, then you'll be getting a 1099K if you earn $600 or more. But if everywhere else in the world, it's $20,000 and 200 transactions. If you meet both of those requirements, those things get reported to the IRS. Now, here's the part where I want you to listen to me very clearly. Just because your organization or whatever is not reporting this to the IRS, it does not mean you don't report it to the IRS. You are required to report all income. Okay? Hear that clearly. All right? And what happens if you don't? Like, people are like, okay, well, what if I just don't, right? Well, if you have, one of these other types of, third-party reporting, like your W-2, 1099s and all of that, those things go to the IRS. So if you get a tax form in the mail, it goes to the IRS and they have automatic matching. Okay. So they have this automated system that says, okay, we have this W-2 out here, and it happens, right? Because you could work a part-time job, and especially if you're a military spouse like me, you could work a part-time job for 6 months and then have to move and you forget all about that job, right? But the IRS has this W-2 sitting there waiting for you to file so they can match that together. Well, if they don't receive that, then they come for you for underreporting your income. And usually and generally, if it's a big enough amount that you didn't report, you'll get an underreporting penalty. And that's not cute either, right? So yeah, you definitely want to make sure that you report all of your income. And also, like I said, this whole, people try to deal strictly in cash. They try to operate under the reporting thresholds. Like, when I say operate under the reporting threshold, if you have multiple PayPal accounts and you know about the 200 transactions or $20,000, so you use this PayPal account up until this amount, and then you go over to this PayPal account and you use it up until this amount, that is called structuring, and that is illegal. Okay, operating strictly in cash, trying to, fly undetected under the radar from the IRS. That is tax evasion. That is illegal. Okay, I'm telling you all of this because these are all the types of questions that people ask me when it comes to reporting your income. Okay, just report the income, you guys. Like, for real, can we just agree on that? I know some people will not agree on it. But that's what the law is. And the penalties for not are pretty darn steep. So you just basically have to determine if you're going to gamble with the IRS or, your freedom, depending on how much it is, right? This is why, look, this is why when it comes down to criminal cases, like, they might start out as something else, but then they wind up as tax cases, because 9 times out of 10 in those criminal cases, you've made some money that has not been reported to the IRS. And so it's very easy to prosecute tax evasion, because you either reported the income or you didn't. Okay. It's very, very simple. So this is how those criminal cases, if they can't prove you did something criminal, but they're going to prove if you did something financial, and financial crimes have teeth, baby. All right. So that's it. The bottom line, you guys, is that you need to report all of your income, period. Don't wait for an oops, right? Because the oops makes it absolutely worse. When you have to go back and, perhaps amend, because then if you wind up owing, that comes with penalties and interest, and it just costs you more than just reporting your income up front, calling it a day. No, we don't like to pay taxes. Taxes ain't going nowhere. Bottom line. All right. So thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's episode of Home Biz Tax Talk. Again, we air Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock-ish, and you can come here to get your questions answered about your home business taxes. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.